new friends. These kids look pretty good, considering they're from San Francisco.
Gotta go.
Okay. Good luck, sweetie.
Luck isn't gonna help us now. If she tries to use Hockey Island, it's going down.
Which is why I've recalled every hockey memory I can think of. One of these has got to work in place of the core memory. She's about to play.
Hurry!
We did it, gang! It's working! Change it up! Change it up!
It's like we don't learn anything.
Let's pick it up out there! That's it! No, breathe. Find your happy place.